Climate change isn't a one-size-fits-all problem. Some parts of the natural world are undergoing profound transformations, while other places are proving to be more sheltered.
Refugia are places that seem to be buffered from climate change. It's kind of magical because we're in this world where it feels like we're just taking hits from every side, especially, in the environment and looking at biodiversity. We have so many impacts from fire and drought and sea level rise. And yet here's this one hopeful space that maybe there are places that are less affected by climate change. And I love to come up to places like this and think about what environment that the species that we care about need, what kind of climate, what snowpack level, what temperatures in the winter, and then see if we can find those places kind of maintaining despite all the increases in temperature and the changes in the seasons.
Dr. Morelli first got interested in refugia while studying how ground squirrels were responding to climate change in California's Sierra Nevada.
We focused in on where did we find these squirrels 100 years ago and now. And we had predictions that if climate change was driving range shifts, then we would expect the places that were warmer, we wouldn't find them anymore. And that's in fact what we found, that they had been driven extinct from the sites that were their lowest, warmest sites. Interestingly, we found some exceptions, and those were in places that, although they were lower in elevation and thus we expect them to be warmer, they had been supplemented by irrigation or were really close to human food sources or farm crop fields. And these were acting as a kind of refugia. Basically, we had created little safe havens for these species. And so they were persisting 100 years later, even though they died out everywhere else.
As we identify these refugia, we can also work to protect them and hopefully provide species with places to thrive even as the world warms.
So if we can find those places that seem like they're buffered from climate change, at least for the near future, and protect them from other stressors, they can provide safe havens for populations, either for the medium to long term or as stepping stones as they move to track their climate.